Good morning, students. In the last chapter, we have studied about matter, states of matter, smallest particle of matter, and types of matter. In this video lecture, we studied about composition of matter. We know that there are various states of matter like solid, liquid, and gases, and one more state, that is plasma state. Now there is difference between ice, water and steam. Ice is a solid, water is a liquid and steam is a gas. And we know that the smallest particle of matter are called as atoms. And the types of atom, that is element, compound and mixture. So states of matter: solid ice, liquid water, gas steam. Smallest particle of matter is atom, and types of matter: element, compound and mixture. Now, characteristics of solid. Particles very close to each other, definite shape and volume, high density, compressibility negligible and intermolecular force is strong. Now characteristics of liquid. Intermolecular force is moderate, definite volume, fluidity and compressibility very small. Gaseous form. Intermolecular force is very weak, neither definite volume nor shape, high compressibility. Now the characteristics of elements, compounds and mixture. Elements: a substance that cannot be chemically converted into simpler substance is called as element. Compound: a substance that contains two or more elements. The atom of these elements always combine in same whole number ratio is known as compound. And mixture: a sample of matter that contain two or more substances, these elements and compound, and has variable composition. So the matter is classified into three types: elements, compounds and mixture. Now next is classification of elements. Elements are classified into metal, non-metal and metalloid. The detailed study of these type of element will be made in chapter metals and non-metals. Now classification of compounds. Compounds are classified into three types: organic compound, inorganic compound and complex compound. The organic compound. Combustion is not complete. Black colored carbon remain behind as a residue. These compounds are called as organic compounds or carbon compounds. For example, carbohydrate, proteins, hydrocarbon. On the other hand, the compound that decompose on strong heating to leave a residue behind are called inorganic compound. Example: common salt, soda, rust and like that. And third compound is complex compound. The molecules of compound have complex structure and formed by many atoms, and in the center of the structure metal atoms are also included. For example, hemoglobin, chlorophyll, etc. The compounds are joined by chemical bonds. Now types of mixture. The part of matter having uniform composition is called phase. There are two types of mixture: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. When all the components in a mixture form one phase is called homogeneous mixture, while the component of mixture distributed into two or more phases is called as heterogeneous mixture. Now solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution. The component of a solution which is present in largest proportion is called solvent, and the other component which are in less proportion is called as solute. The process of forming a solution by mixing solute in a solvent is called as dissolution. The solution can also be a types of liquid in liquid, gas in liquid, solid in liquid, gas in liquid. Now next is suspension. Heterogeneous mixture of liquid and solid is called as suspension or colloids. The mixture of water and milk in the above activity is translucent. It means that when a light is incident on the surface of mixture, it is partly transmitted and partly scattered. This is because of tiny particles of milk phase in this heterogeneous mixture are dispersed evenly in the water phase. It's called as colloid. Now next is molecular formula. Molecular formula indicates the number of atoms of each constituent element present in one molecule of a compound. Molecular formula includes the information regarding symbols of all the elements and their respective number in subscript. Now next is valency. The ability of joining to another atom with a chemical bond is called as valency of that element. An atom forms as many chemical bonds with other atom as its valency, and valency of element remain constant in its various compounds. So in this video lecture, we have studied about states of matter, characteristics of different states, characteristics of element, compound and mixture, classification of states of matter, molecular formula and valency.